Hey guys, what's up? So, on my live streams a lot, I've been live streaming on YouTube now that I'm currently banned on Twitch. Thank you guys. And also, a little note for that, guys. I don't deny the fact, like, I'm not going to complain and deny the fact that I did technically break their rules. They do have rules against some of the things I have said, but I just disagree with the rules themselves. I think they are kind of stupid, and I think they are kind of sensitive. People think that, oh, you said something mean to someone online, they can't avoid that. I'm like, you could just turn off your computer or watch a different streamer, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna be like, oh, Twitch sucks. No, I mean, I broke their rules. It is my fault, but I do just want to address that because a lot of people like getting mad at Twitch. It's not entirely their fault. Their rules do suck, but I did break them, so that's just one thing I want to address. Now, so as you can see, I'm holding this kind of vlog style now because hopefully I don't drop it. It's like $550. But so as the title suggests, a lot of people have been asking like how my dual PC setup even works. Like, how do I even stream with dual PCs, or how any of that works, or what the specs of my PCs are. So I'm at least going to show you guys or explain real quick how everything actually works. So let's come over here to the dual PC setup, and let's actually see how it works. It's a little hard to hear me now because my mic is facing away. Whoops. It's a little hard to hear because my mic's now facing away from me, but that's fine. The reverb in here won't be enough. Now, as you can see, these are our two PCs. Now, this PC here is the gaming PC. It's a 7700K and a gigabyte. Oh wow, that is a hot tamale. A 1080 Ti with a 750 watt RGB power supply, a Cooler Master, basically $60 cooler, and that's our little inland, I think. I can't read. I don't know, it's one of those cheap SSDs that basically, it's only 120 gigs. I don't really store anything on here except from games. And then I have my external hard drive. I use a lot of it. I have like 3 of these, and I gave one away actually, the first PC winner. These 1 terabyte hard drives, they were super cheap. I got like 3 for $100, something like that. They're 1 terabyte, they're hard drives, they're great. I store games on that too. Now, this is the gaming PC. It's a 7700K 1080 Ti because those are two amazing gaming parts. Back when I got them, they were the best. The 7700K and the 1080 Ti were the best for gaming. They were the best, top-of-the-line, flagship parts of each company for consumer-grade products. Now, we come over here to what looks like a bigger and even more interesting PC. This is the streaming PC. The streaming PC, streaming heavily uses CPU power when using the X264 encoder. So, I have a 12-core, 24-thread Threadripper here, 2920X, a very nice Threadripper. And now, the reason people always tell me like, oh, why not get the new, the new 3900X? Because personally, the reason these professional grade hardware things are better, they have more PCIe lanes and more input-output lanes, I/O. So you'll see when you see how much I/O I use. But I've got the RGB fan on the side. That RAM is RGB. It's 64 gigs of RAM. This has 32 gigs of RAM. G.Skill Aegis, as you can see, and every USB port on the back is basically full. Now I want to explain how it actually works. How I get this to feed to that. Now in this PC, if we can get under here and see it, you see that little card under there? That's an Elgato HD60 Pro. Now mine's refurbished, so it's a little funky sometimes, but whatever. The HD60 Pro has on the back, you can barely see them down there, those two HDMI going in and out. Now, the output HDMI I actually don't use, but the input HDMI comes from our 1080 Ti, goes directly into that Elgato, and now this computer treats that Elgato as a screen. It believes that it is actually another screen. And basically, what I do is so as you can see, I actually have 3 inputs. Let's focus. 3 inputs, or 3 display cables coming out of my 1080 Ti on this PC. Yet the gaming PC only has 2 monitors. These 2. Now the third monitor is actually the Elgato, but I duplicate this display, so you can duplicate display in Windows settings. Duplicate this display to the Elgato. This is my 144 Hz display. I mean, look at that FPS. Look at that FPS. Now, basically, the Elgato, since it's connected to the streaming PC, can come through here. This is the streaming PC's monitor. I use Streamlabs OBS, which is actually becoming hard with my Twitch ban because I can't really access it. You can actually see me there. There's my webcam. That's you guys. But Well, no, this is you guys. Hello. But now, so this screen is being duplicated to the Elgato, which is in this PC over here, which is now coming through here as a display. So basically, that's how it works. It's almost real time. If I move the mouse, you'll be able to see it. But it's almost real time. Mine's a little funky, like I said, so it's like 0.5 milliseconds off. But whatever. Now that keyboard is for the streaming PC. This keyboard and this mouse headset, I think it's a phone case, are for the gaming PC. That numpad is for the streaming PC to switch my scenes and stuff. And this mouse is for the streaming PC. This screen is not in use right now. It's connected to the streaming PC. I decided I don't really need it. And this is also my editing PC, so it's what I edit all of my 4K content on, like this right now. This is a 4K video that I've rendered in true 4K, so it should look actually really nice. So that's really how it works. The Elgato is treated as a screen, this one duplicates the Elgato, and that's basically it. These two PCs, like I said, the reason I did this is because I was getting pretty low frame rates using just this. Oh yeah, I don't think I mentioned before, I think I forgot. This card is a RX 580 Red Devil. One of my favorite cards, because I don't need, I basically need no graphics power. If my CPU had integrated graphics, I think I'd be fine. I don't need this thing. This Threadripper doesn't even have integrated graphics, so I just got a pretty, it's a good graphics card. It actually used to be in here as a great gaming PC, but no, it's a good graphics card, but it just doesn't have to be great. All my encoding is through the CPU anyway. Very little GPU usage. And that's basically, as you can see, this mess of wires, I was like, organize the wires. I really just can't. There's too much. But as you see how many USBs and other stuff I have coming through this computer? If I was using a consumer grade 3900X CPU, I would not be able to have all of these USB ports. I use every single one on this thing, all 13 of them. I know, it's a lot. Now, another thing I want to, because I'm kind of just doing this on the fly, this microphone is actually connected through XLR to this pod farm. It's a preamp, which is actually connected to the streaming PC. And also the webcam is connected to the streaming PC. This way my webcam and microphone audio are synced up on the stream. But this headset and the games are usually on the gaming PC. Therefore, all I do is I connect this microphone, you can barely see it, whatever, to this headset when I want to talk to someone on the gaming PC, and that's about it. That's basically how our setup works. So let me know what you guys think. And also, if anyone has any ideas like what you would like to see, I mean, yes, I'm going to keep doing the giveaway videos. Let me get me in here. Ah, shoot. I messed up. Alright. Hello, my beautiful face and beautiful purple hair. Now, I'm going to keep doing the video, the gaming, giveaway videos, and I do want to start doing maybe some Minecraft or some other gaming videos as well. But what else would you like to see? What games do you want to see me play? No, I'm not going to play Fortnite. I know I used to have a reason. I have no reason to play it now. It's not even worth it. Someone could give me $100. It's not worth it at this point to play that game for me. So if you have an idea of any games that you've seen me play that you want to play, maybe some Counter-Strike pro matches, not actually pro, but me just being really good, because that's what I am, maybe some clips, but all my clips are in 1024 by 768 resolution. Don't even know if you want to see them, upscaled to 1080p, but that's about it. I really just want to show you guys how all this works, so that if someone asks on stream, I can direct them to this video, and it tells them the specs of my computer as well. But that's really all I can think of right now. So if you have any ideas what kind of tech videos you want to see me mess around with these computers, just specific ideas, what you want me to see, what games you want me to play, funny moments in Counter-Strike, who knows. But that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.